A thank you to farmers. Farmers are the backbone of our society, tirelessly working to provide us with the food we need every day. Their dedication, hard work, and perseverance often go unnoticed, but it's essential to recognize their vital role in our lives. From dawn until dusk, farmers cultivate the land, planting seeds and nurturing crops. They face many challenges, including unpredictable weather, pests, and economic pressures. Despite these obstacles, they remain committed to their work, ensuring that we have fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains on our tables. We owe a great deal to farmers for their sacrifices and hard work. Their resilience inspires us all, reminding us of the importance of gratitude for the food we often take for granted. Thank you, farmers, for your invaluable contributions to our lives and society. Your dedication is truly appreciated. Thank you to all the farmers who work tirelessly to provide us with food. Your dedication and hard work ensure that we have fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains to nourish our bodies. Every meal we enjoy is a result of your commitment and resilience. Despite challenges like weather and pests, you keep our tables filled. We appreciate the sacrifices you make and the sustainable practices you adopt to care for our land. Your efforts not only feed us but also support our communities. We are grateful for everything you do. Thank you for the essential role you play in our lives.